And now to our market monitor, who says Apple is a good investment ahead of earnings on Monday. He also recommended that stock back in December and said Apple, along with Disney and Taser, would increase 20% in the first half of this year. And as you can see, so far, his picks have seen some pretty decent double-digit gains. He is Ross Gerber, CEO and president of his own wealth management firm, Gerber Kawasaki. Ross, welcome back. Nice to have you here.
Thanks. Nice to be back.
Let's start, first of all, with Apple. You say it's a good investment ahead of earnings. We just profiled the Apple Watch. Does that factor into your bullish view?
Absolutely. I spent an hour with the watch yesterday. It's an incredible product. It's so much better than the expectations. They're completely sold out across the world, and this is going to continue to be the most sought after item probably all the way through Christmas. So Apple has great things going on in every division. They're hitting on all cylinders, and this is an absolute must for your portfolio. So we're extremely excited.
Your price target is between $155 to $160 by the end of the year, so that's quite a considerable upside.
Yeah, and it could go higher, honestly. It's trading at such a discount market multiple to the market. I mean, what else can you ask for in a company? It's really got a great position, so it has a lot of potential upside.
Let's move on to IMAX, which is also one of your picks. What's going to drive things on IMAX? Because, you know, in the past it was inconsistent. That's changed, however, but why are you bullish on it?
Yeah, you know, IMAX has had an inconsistent history because they rely solely on the product of the entertainment industry, what that gives them. So as a theater owner, if the movies aren't that good, it hurts their revenue and profits. And over the last few years, we've seen decent movies, but lower attendance and such. Going into this year, we have the best movie slate in the history of the movie business. It's going to be a record year for movies, but most importantly, it ends with Star Wars. IMAX has the theaters booked up, all of them, for a full month for Star Wars, starting in December all the way through January. This is going to be the biggest movie of all time. You've got to play the Star Wars trade. This is a great way to do it.
Well, may the force be with the stock. You think it's going to be going about 50 by the end of the year?
Yeah, I think it's got considerable upside. They really can leverage their global brand, as well as the fact that they get a cut of revenue for every ticket that's being sold. So they have a sort of unlimited upside and fixed costs. So their margins will increase. This will be a great year for them.
And Tesla is your last target price of $260 towards the end of the year. How do you view this company? Do you view it as a technology company? Do you view it as a consumer products company or a car maker? What do you think of it?
I look at it as a technology company that so far makes cars. At the end of the month, they're going to announce that they're going to make batteries. What they're pivoting to is being a battery company, and this development of this technology is revolutionary. We cannot tell you how important it is to upgrade the storage of energy, and that's what Tesla's mastered with the car. And as they expand into this home power business and consumer power business, it creates an enormous upside for them in the battery business. So we're bullish on Tesla also because the Model X is a beautiful car. It comes out towards the end of the year, and that will increase the demand for Teslas, and we do think they'll hit their targets.
All right, Ross, we'll leave it there. Thank you so much for joining us. Appreciate it.
My pleasure. Have a good weekend.
You too. Ross Gerber with Gerber Kawasaki.